I be getting to the money. Everybody mad. I think I'm getting too much money. Everybody mad.
Hello beauties, and welcome back to my channel. Today's makeup look is a natural looking face. I posted a few pictures on Instagram. So I had a few inboxes, a few requests asking me to do a tutorial on my natural looking makeup look. And I used affordable products. I did use a few products that are not just found in your local beauty supply store or your local drugstore such as Walgreens and CVS. However, there are dupes, and most of the time NYX Cosmetics have dupes for all of these high-end products. I'm not sponsored by anyone. I spend my hard-earned money on all of these products, but I am here to give you beauties makeup tips, and I'm here to help you to get to the level of which you are confident with your makeup application. I will not continue to ramble. I want to get right into the look. So if you like what you are seeing, just keep watching. Brows have already been done. And so now what I'm doing now, I'm just setting that concealer in place. And I am using MAC's Mineralized Skin Finish in dark. Let's begin with a little moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer of your choice. This moisturizer actually comes from my local Walgreens store. The primer that I'm using, Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser, and place it all over your face. So now, some people have dark circles, some people may have bags, some people may have red acne or some type of redness. This is where you will color correct if you need to. I am going to use my Urban Decay. This is Urban Decay's Deep Peach. Placing it there. I try to conceal my bags as much as I can. I also like to put it in the crevices around my nostrils. And here, I kind of like to go here. It's a natural contour, but I still color correct sometimes. Then you take your damp beauty blender. This is Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Cafe, which is number 30. I only place it over the color corrector under my eye. Let's blend it. Black Opal Stick Foundation in Carob. I think that's how you pronounce it, C-A-R-O-B. This is what it looks like. And now let's buff it into the skin. I am taking a flat concealer brush and I am dabbing it over that foundation, and I am going to place it all over the lid because I am not using any eyeshadow today. I don't want to bring it all the way over my brow bone because I want to keep that highlight. I will set the lid first. And the brush that I'm using is an e.l.f. blending brush. So I'm just going to dab it and just set it in place. You can stop here. You don't have to highlight. You can actually start setting your entire face with the powder if you choose to. But in my case, I do like to lightly highlight and contour. I am highlighting with LA Girls Pro Concealer in Warm Honey. And whenever I'm doing the highlight under eye, I like to bring it down along the nose, because it also helps with slimming your nose down when you're getting ready to highlight and contour your nose. Let's contour using Black Radiance Cream Contour Palette, and I am using the darkest shade to contour right here. What you do is you want to suck in your cheeks. That's where you will place your line. Then you want to go along your jawline, and I just like to dab it there around the chin. Then the forehead. Now let's work that contour in. I am using Sephora. This is a small stippling brush. And I'll do the same thing when I'm working that contour in around the hairline. I go in the direction that my hairline is going. This is the shadow brush, and it looks like this. And I just like to take it and blend that contour downward. Pat it. What you're doing is trying to prevent creasing. So let's just brush that right off. And this is just a fluffy brush that I got from my local Walmart. Now to set the contour in place, I am using my Holy Grail CoverGirl Queen Ebony Bronzer. I have hit pan on this. Everywhere we place the cream contour, set it in place. This step is completely optional. You don't have to do this. I am going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in deep fonts, which I go right at my earlobe up under my contour. I'm now ready to set my entire face using the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in dark. I am using my favorite at the moment, and this is Fenty Beauty's Hustler Baby. For my nose, I like to take a small angle brush, dab it, hit the tip of the nose, then down the bridge. If I'm doing this natural look, a black liner, my NYX Jumbo Pencil in Black Bean, and you're going to put that right into the waterline. Now I like to take a brown shadow and smoke the bottom out just a little. And this is my Mikasa Beauty pencil in 310 that I'm using. It's a small crease brush, and I'm using MAC's Swiss Chocolate eyeshadow. And now, since we're ready for the lashes, we are going to take some mascara, go over that lower lash line. Now, if you choose to stop here and go on with your lips, you can if you don't wear lashes. And then this is your natural looking look. But in my case, I can't go without my lashes. These are wispy lashes along with number 415. And the glue that I'm using, this is a super hold glue, and it's for sensitive eyes. Let's place that lash right on the lash line. So now we are ready for the lips. Because I have such a natural look, no color, no eyeshadow, I usually like to go bold on the lips. But before I do that, I want to put just a little bit of inner tear duct highlight. I am going to line my lips with just a brown lip liner pencil. If you want to just keep it neutral. This is Fenty Beauty's Gloss Bomb. Set that. And voila. Here's your natural looking bead with natural looking lips. And now let's try the Huda Beauty. If you don't want that natural just gloss look, you can do another nude look. We will begin with the lip pencil in Spice Girl. It applies Spice Girl liquid matte lipstick. And then right in the center, we're going to place Venus. Then I'm going to blend that in. And here's your nude matte lip. And now for my bold beauties out there. I am going to try a lip combo. I am using MAC's Night Moth lip liner, and I am going to use Lime Crime's Blood Moon, and this is I Love Side-Eye times ColourPop Ariba. It is gorgeous. I have me a new lip combo. Now remember, Night Moth, Lime Crime's Blood Moon, and I Love Side-Eye time ColourPop's Ariba. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Your natural looking makeup and your bold lip. I would like to thank you beauties for rocking with me and for your support. I truly appreciate each one of you that have subscribed to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed, I need you right now to click that subscribe button and the bell that's next to it. And I would also like for you to leave me a comment down below and let me know what you would like to see next. Don't forget to share this video. And always, always stay popping.
50s, 100s. If it ain't quarter mil.